Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to remove your Apple Watch band. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload our video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now go ahead and get your Apple Watch. And as you can see here, this is what it looks like right here. And if you take a look at the very back, then there should be these little buttons right here, as you can see. And that's what you need to do to be able to take it off. So you need to go ahead and press on this right here. And then you need to slide this out. Slide like that. Same goes for this one. Go ahead and press on this and then slide once more. Like that. And that is it. So that's how you would remove it. Now, how do you exactly put it on? Then it is the same way. All you need to do is you need to align this. So you should be able to see this part right here. This should align with this part of your watch. So again, from the very top or from the bottom, go ahead and slide it inside like that. And then the same goes for this one. Slide this way as well. And there you go. Go ahead and put it on. And that's how you would remove and connect back your Apple Watch band. Hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.